Lately, we've been seeing people around us with dots on the tops of their heads, right? We may even be one of those people with those dots. The transformation of those dots into hair in the future can cause great astonishment. How can transplanted hair be so natural and so beautiful? However, this may not be the case for everyone. In particular, people who neglect their care after hair transplant can be expected to be deprived of this natural appearance. No matter how sad it is necessary to pay attention after hair transplant. So, what should be considered? What should be done for the desired result? 1. Prevention against sweating. Excessive sweating after hair transplant can affect the area. It should be kept in mind that excessive sweating, especially in the first days after hair transplant, can damage the hair grafts. Sweating can have negative effects on the increase of moisture in the scalp and the settlement of the grafts. Especially in the first days after hair transplant, heavy physical activities should be avoided. Light and cool clothes should be preferred, and showering with extremely hot water should be avoided. Since this situation is temporary, it is important to be patient for a short time. 2. Exercise and physical activities. After hair transplant, it is important to avoid heavy sports, high-paced exercises, and activities that may cause sweating. So what are we going to do then, you may ask? Are we going to do nothing? However, your body needs rest after hair transplant, just like you need rest after a busy day. Also, heavy sports and high-paced exercises can accelerate blood circulation. This can negatively affect the implantation process of the grafts. As a result, exercise and physical activities should be avoided for a certain period of time, and the body should be given the time it needs. 3. The right hair care products. Choosing the right hair care products after hair transplant supports the healthy recovery of hair follicles. In particular, shampoos and creams to be used after sweating are critical for keeping the scalp clean and moisturized. Doctor-recommended hair care products also reduce the risk of potential infection on the scalp. It is also important to avoid perfume, alcohol, and harsh chemicals when choosing hair care products. You can enjoy impressive results by choosing products with natural ingredients. 4. Protection from sun rays. In the first days after hair transplant, it is important to protect from sunlight for the grafts to settle and the scalp to heal. The sun's harmful UV rays can increase the risk of infection and negatively affect the healing process during this period when the scalp is sensitive. For this reason, you can protect your head by using equipment such as hats to protect the hair from the sun. 5. Stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety damage the body after hair transplant as well as before hair transplant. These emotional states that harm the body also affect the transplanted hair. Therefore, you may need to keep your emotional state under control. To reduce the effects of stress, you can resort to different activities and get away from situations that annoy you. Remember, nothing in life is more important than your health. That's all for this video. Don't forget to tell us what you are curious about and what you want to add in the comments section. For more information like this, you can visit our website from the link in the description.